YouTubers. Beautiful Sunday morning, off to the range with a purpose today. Today is the inaugural Sydney YouTubers 22 shoot-off. Competitors today will be me and Tiouty01. Hopefully we might turn this thing into a yearly occurrence, maybe a biannually thing. But yeah, today it's just me and him, and we are going to just decide who is the best shot with a 22. Beautiful day for it, a bit overcast, the sun's poking through, so as long as we don't get any rain, it should be good. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, mate.
On your marks, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 shots, 5 minutes.
Yep.
We're on.
Any sort of early rematch has been abandoned due to weather. Here we are with the runner-up to today's event, Tiouty01. What happened, mate? What went wrong?
Well, probably the technique had a lot to do with it.
Wasn't the superior firepower?
The technique for the window side definitely was there. Experience. That was my very first competition, so it was good fun. It was good fun. I really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to the next one. And I think my scope needs an upgrade.
Get some German stuff on that gun, mate.
Yeah. I'll get a bit more magnification, I think. But it was good fun. Really good fun.
All right, mate. Thanks for the competition.
Well done.
And
Congratulations.
we'll see you at the next one.